Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss about basic life process. What is basic life process? Following these life process differentiate an organism from living to non-living things. Let's start the video. Basic life process are fundamental activities that all living organisms perform to maintain their existence, grow, reproduce, and respond to their environment. These processes are essential for the survival of life on Earth. There are several key basic life processes. 1. Nutrition. Nutrition is the process by which organisms obtain and utilize nutrients from their environment. Nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins, minerals, and water. Organisms need these nutrients for energy production, growth, repair, and maintenance of cellular functions. Different organisms have various methods of obtaining nutrition, such as photosynthesis in plants, ingestion in animals, and absorption in some microorganisms. 2. Respiration. Respiration is the process by which organisms convert nutrients, typically glucose, into energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, ATP. This energy is used to fuel cellular activities. Respiration can be aerobic, requiring oxygen, or anaerobic, not requiring oxygen, depending on the organism and its environment. 3. Growth. Growth is the process by which organisms increase in size or develop new structures and tissues. Growth occurs through cell division and the accumulation of new cells. It is a fundamental characteristic of living organisms and is essential for the development and maintenance of an organism's body structure. For reproduction, reproduction is the process by which organisms produce offspring, ensuring the continuation of their species. There are two primary types of reproduction, asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction involves the production of offspring from a single parent, typically through cell division or budding. Sexual reproduction involves the fusion of gametes, reproductive cells, from two parents to produce genetically diverse offspring. 5. Response to stimuli. Living organisms have the ability to respond to changes in their environment, including internal and external stimuli. This capacity to respond allows organisms to adapt to their surroundings, find food, avoid danger, and reproduce successfully. Responses can be simple, like moving away from a heat source, or complex, involving complex behaviors and decision-making processes. 6. Excretion. Excretion is the process by which waste products and metabolic byproducts are eliminated from an organism's body. These waste materials can be harmful if they accumulate, so excretion is crucial for maintaining internal balance, homeostasis, and preventing toxicity. 7. Regulation. Homeostasis. Homeostasis is the ability of organisms to maintain a stable internal environment, despite external changes. This involves the regulation of various physiological processes such as temperature, pH, and electrolyte balance, to ensure optimal conditions for cellular function and overall health. 8. Transport. Organisms require the movement of substances within their bodies to distribute nutrients, oxygen, and other essential molecules to cells and to remove waste products. Different organisms have specialized structures and systems for transport, such as the circulatory system in animals and vascular tissues in plants. These basic life processes are common to all living organisms, from single-celled bacteria to complex multicellular organisms like humans. They are essential for the maintenance of life, growth, and the perpetuation of species. The specific mechanisms and adaptations for each process can vary widely among different types of organisms based on their evolutionary history and ecological niche. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the bell icon, like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more video.